Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix fingerprint option missing in Infinix. So the first step you simply need to do is to open settings of your smartphone. Then you simply need to do is to scroll down and click on system. Here you need to click on backup and restore, but there is no option here. So you simply need to go back and click on reset phone. Click on reset app preferences and click on reset app. So once you've done that, your issue will be resolved. But if you are still facing an issue, click on system updates, click on online updates, and it will check if there is any update. So as you can see that my system is updated. Then you simply need to go back, go on security, and now you can see that fingerprint option is available. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.